Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to send video file from your phone to your laptop with just USB cable like so. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone. Then I'm going to head over to my phone manager, file manager on my phone right here. Like so. Then I'm going to simply click on files, just like so. So I have all the video right here. Now the next thing you want to do is to simply select the number of video that you want to move from the phone. So I'm going to simply click on this check mark right here to select all the video. Then I'm going to deselect the one I'm not sending. Now I'm sending about 4 different video files from my phone to my laptop. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on here, it's 3 dots. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on copy to. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down and then copy the video to download folder. Just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on copy here. Boom. Everything has been successfully copied into my file download folder. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply exit from the file manager. Then I have to make sure I bring out my USB wire, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to insert it on your PC USB cord, just like so. Having inserted it on your USB cord on your laptop, next thing you want to do is to simply insert it, the USB port, into the phone, just like so. And then having do that, this is going to pump up. Click on here to transfer file, just like so. Then having click on transfer file, next thing you want to do is to simply head over to your laptop. From your laptop right here, what you need to do is to simply click on the folder, and then you have to navigate to where you have your phone information right here. So just like what you see right here, the phone I'm using on this tutorial is itel P55. Click on it, and then the data information is going to pump up the internal storage. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on the internal storage right here. Then I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard. Then everything we have on the internal storage is going to load up. And I have to navigate to my download folder right here, as you can see. Then I'll press enter key on my keyboard. Then we have all the video right here. Now what I'm going to do next is to simply select the video one after the other. So I'm going to press Ctrl key down, select the second one, Ctrl key down, select the third one, Ctrl key down to select the fourth one. The next thing I'm going to do is to open a folder where I want to transfer the video to. So I'm going to open a new folder right here. Then I will go to my desktop. Then I will simply locate the right file folder I want to copy this video to. So just like so. Then what I'm going to do is to place them side by side. Then I'm going to simply drag and drop the video file right here. It's as simple as that. In a few seconds, the video file is going to move straight up into your PC, just like what you see right here. By the time I expand everything, then you will see the video file has been successfully moved from my phone to my laptop. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to transfer the video file from phone to your laptop without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.